I guess the school kind of has mainly two facets of outdoor education. There's a mandatory outdoor education, then there's also the optional program, which is called LGR, Leslie Gladstone Robertson. LGR, in short, is a voluntary bushwalking society in which teachers and faculty kind of take a little bit of a step back and let the students take a little bit of responsibility for their own development on the program. The motto of LGR is per ardua ad amicitium, through hardship comes friendship, and I think that couldn't be more true with LGR. I can remember in my first Year 9 LGR camp, I was on the top of a mountain up near Lacola in Breakfast Creek, and I was sleeping in a tent with a boy that I was originally not friends with. We pretty much braved, the just about the worst lightning thunderstorm that I'd ever heard. It felt like there was a lightning bolt that struck a tree about 10 meters away from me. That the whole lightning storm passed, and I just asked the boy next to me, "Hey Max, did you hear that?" That kind of spawned a friendship where we could always go up to each other and go, "I've got your back," because I know that we've both experienced that extremely difficult and terrifying lightning storm. I think you have greater trust and reliability with your friendships after having spent quite a few days facing adversity on an LGR camp. To be honest, I'm pretty sad to be leaving the LGR program, as it's just so unique, except also in another way. I'm not going to be leaving it. I'm going to be taking a piece of that with me and running with it for the rest of my life.